Hi, welcome to today's class, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to have unlimited access to raw files for practice and your portfolio, because a lot of people come to my DM, they want raw files to practice, they want raw files for their portfolio. So now what you need to do is go to this website called modemayan.com. Sign up. When you sign up, you go to the forum. When you come to the forum, all right, you scroll down and you get to the digital art and retouching. So in the forum platform, just scroll down, you see digital art and retouching. When you click on digital art and retouching, you'll be able to see people that are looking for retouchers. You'll be able to see um, people that also post they also post raw files. So in order for you to just see the raw files themselves, come to these challenges, contests and samples. So click on challenges, contents and samples. All these are raw files. So see 12 free beauty raw photos for practice. When I click on this, for example, you'll see this is the link to the raw photos, and by the time you download them, you can edit and also post. Other people can review it for you. So if you come back there, you see they post every single day. They are always raw files. See raw editorial. So look at the link to the raw editorial. You are welcome to edit. Please share your result on this platform. I'm excited to see what you create. JPEG and raw included. When I click on this link now, it's going to redirect me to where the raw file is and see all the raw files. So I can download, I can use them to practice and post, and post on this platform. I can post on my social media and tag the photographer. So you can see other people's results. You can even compare other people's results with yours, so that you can also improve yourself. Look at other people's results from the same link of the raw file. So that is how to have access to unlimited. I mean unlimited. There's so many raw files. You can just come to page 2, page 3, page, I think the last page is page 164. There are many raw files here. So raw files, different skin tone, different concepts, you know that you can work with. See 42 raw fashion raw photos. See them. So see the fashion raw photos. If I click on this link now, it's going to take me to the place where the raw photos are, and then I can download them. So if you have any question, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any ideas for more videos I should do, please leave it in the comment section below. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and do enjoy.